Unlocking everyday English. The meaning behind, I have a lunch date. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in everyday English. I have a lunch date. Understanding this phrase not only helps you in social contexts but also enriches your grasp of the English language's nuances. Let's explore together what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone says, I have a lunch date, they're conveying a couple of key points. Firstly, the word lunch refers to a meal typically eaten in the middle of the day. It's a casual but important meal that people often share with friends, family, or colleagues. The word date, in this context, doesn't always imply a romantic meeting. It can, but it's more broadly used to mean an appointment or a planned meeting with someone. This could be for business, catching up with a friend, or yes, a more romantic get-together. Casual versus formal contexts. I have a lunch date is a phrase that leans more towards casual conversation. You might use it when explaining your plans to a friend or colleague. For more formal situations, you might say, I have a lunch meeting, or I am engaged for lunch. Variations of the phrase. Depending on who you're meeting, you might add details to the phrase, like, I have a lunch date with a friend, or I have a lunch date with my mentor. This provides more context about the nature of the meeting. In many English-speaking countries, sharing a meal is a way to connect and communicate. Saying, I have a lunch date, often implies more than just eating. It's about spending quality time with someone. It reflects the importance of relationships in one's social and professional life. Let's look at some examples of how you can use this phrase in everyday conversations. Making plans. Can we meet tomorrow? Sorry, I can't. I have a lunch date. Explaining your schedule. I'll be unavailable midday. I have a lunch date with an old college friend. Declining an invitation. Thank you for the offer, but I must decline. I have a lunch date already planned. Understanding phrases like, I have a lunch date, enriches your ability to communicate effectively in English. It's not just about the words but the social and cultural contexts they convey. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase's meaning and usage. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with discoveries. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.